Big blocks, long beds, a factory AC Buick, a one-owner style Survivor, and a real-deal work truck with a Crate 350. These are 1960s classic cars and trucks for sale under 10 grand, and some of them are serious project cars. Let's take a slow walk around each one. Number 1. 1965 Buick Skylark, $5,350, Torrance, California. We start with a true California original, a 1965 Buick Skylark Coupe. Clean title, V8, rear-wheel drive, automatic. This car was originally purchased in Hollywood. Seller has the original manual and Protecto plate. That's the kind of paperwork collectors like to see. It's equipped with the 300 cubic inch nailhead V8 and factory air conditioning. Bucket seats, no console. That's a clean, classic mid-60s layout. The body is described as really straight. The only rust is around the rear window channel, a known weak area on many GM cars of the era. The window has already been removed and patch panels are included. That's actually helpful. Half the battle is accessing the rust. It starts, runs, and shifts, but will need brakes, hoses, and belts before being road ready. Gas tank, sending unit, and fuel pump have already been replaced. At $5,350, you're buying a documented California car with original character. Not restored, not flashy, just honest and ready for someone who doesn't mind turning wrenches. Number 2. 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $5,000, Loma Linda, California. Now we move into full-size luxury. A 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88 sedan, 61,152 miles showing, clean title. The seller has done serious mechanical work. New head gaskets, new radiator, water pump, intake manifold gasket, spark plugs, carb rebuild, new tires, new battery, all fluids changed. That's not light work. That's someone who wanted it running properly. These Delta 88s were smooth highway cruisers, big V8 torque, soft ride, long wheelbase comfort. Paint is listed as custom. Interior photos show classic late 60s full-size style. At $5,000, if it truly runs and drives great as claimed, this could be one of the most usable daily classics on the list. Number 3. 1964 Ford F-250 Custom Cab 3/4 ton, $9,000, Van Nuys, California. Here's a serious old truck. A 1964 Ford F-250 Custom Cab, 4-speed manual with granny low gear. White exterior, red interior, original AM radio still working. Original glass, straight frame. Seller says never used for construction work and never crashed. That matters on a 3/4 ton truck. It's currently not running, needs a battery and TLC after sitting for a few years. These mid-60s F-250s were built heavy-duty. Thicker frames, stronger suspension than F-100 half-tons. If the body is as straight as described, this is a solid foundation. At $9,000 OBO, you're paying for condition and originality, not just a running beater. Number 4. 1965 Ford F-100 Long Bed, $5,600, Poway, California. Another 1965 Ford truck, but this time a half-ton. A 1965 Ford F-100 Long Bed, manual floor sift, white with added red stripes. It runs and drives, but seller is honest. Not great by any means. There is rust, especially on the roof. That's important. Roof rust can be more complex than fender rust. Interior isn't really good condition. Odometer shows 21,000 miles, but unconfirmed. At $5,600, this feels like a running project truck, something you could improve slowly, maybe keep the patina, maybe restore. Honest description, that's always a good sign. Number 5. 1969 GMC 2500 Custom Cab Longhorn, $5,500, Los Angeles, California. This one has personality. A 1969 GMC 2500 Custom Cab 8.5-foot bed, new GM Crate 350 engine with about 3,000 miles. That alone adds value. Backed by a new Process 435 4-speed manual, Dana 60 with 3.73 gears, new clutch, new brakes, new shocks, ball joints replaced, power steering, power brakes, dealer AC, missing parts, factory tack, currently disconnected, 3 operational gas tanks. That's old school range. It's a working truck, has mismatched fenders from a slight accident, wood bed needs attention, odometer rolled over at 232,000. Seller says it plainly, work truck supreme. At $5,500, with a fresh Crate 350, this is serious mechanical value if you don't mind cosmetics.
Number 6. 1969 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, $9,000, Loma Linda, California. Now we're stepping into full luxury. A 1969 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. White exterior, new engine with less than 3,000 miles. Exterior paint redone 3 years ago. Clean title. Interior needs work, which is common on big Cadillacs. Upholstery and trim restoration can get expensive. But these cars ride like nothing else. Massive V8 torque, soft suspension, true late 60s American luxury. At $9,000, with a fresh engine, this is a cruiser with presence. Number 7. 1964 Chevrolet Impala. $10,000. Tulare, California. A 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This is a full restoration project. No motor, no transmission, needs floors and trunk pan. But it's complete otherwise. Clean title. Seller firm at $10K. 64 Impalas are highly desirable, especially for custom builds, lowriders, or restored stock examples. This one is a blank canvas, but not a cheap one. You're paying for the body and the name. Number 8. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. $6,000. Sunrise Park. A 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. 2 owners, automatic. 55,253 miles showing. It runs, but it's been sitting in a driveway for a couple years. Tires flat, needs work, unregistered. The 67 Chevelle body style is iconic in the muscle era. Even base models carry strong demand. At $6,000, if the body is solid, this could be one of the better long-term investment projects on the list. Number 9. 1966 Chevrolet Impala Wagon. $7,000. Victorville, California. A 1966 Chevrolet Impala Wagon. V8 car, automatic, AC equipped. Seller says original 283 engine and transmission included. Wagons from this era are gaining appreciation. Family haulers turn showpieces. Title situation needs clarification. Listing says missing. Description mentions clean California title with no back fees. That's something a buyer must verify carefully. At $7,000 firm, it's priced as a project with potential. Number 10. 1967 Plymouth Valiant 2-door coupe. $7,500. San Diego, California. We close with a 1967 Plymouth Valiant coupe. White, automatic, clean title. 100,000 miles showing. Seller says condition is unknown and needs refurbishment and upgrades. The Valiant was Mopar's compact platform. Simple, lightweight, easy to modify. At $7,500, this is a manageable size project car. Not oversized, not complicated, straightforward classic coupe lines. 10 very different classic cars and trucks. Some are drivers, some are honest workhorses, some are full restoration commitments. But every one of them represents a time when steel was thick, chrome was heavy, and style mattered. If you enjoy looking at classic cars, project cars, and real-world listings like this, stick around. There's always another batch of forgotten metal waiting to be found.